Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 35, motion. In this worksheet we will learn about velocity and acceleration. What do you mean by velocity? Speed of an object in a particular direction is called velocity. Like speed, it is also represented by V. It is denoted by V. It shows the direction of motion of the object along with its speed. क्या शो करती है velocity? Direction of motion of the object along with speed. Speed के साथ साथ direction of motion भी शो करती है velocity. Velocity of an object can be determined by this equation. So how will you determine the velocity? Velocity V is equal to displacement upon time. It is a vector quantity. कैसी quantity है ये? Vector quantity whose magnitude changes with change in speed and direction. इसका magnitude किसके साथ change होता है? Changes with change in speed as well as change in direction. SI unit of velocity is meter per second. It can be 0 or it can be negative. Value of velocity can be 0 as well as negative. When an object is moving along a straight line with the changing velocity or changing speed, we can calculate magnitude of its rate of motion in terms of average velocity. तब हम इस कैसे निकालते हैं velocity को? Average velocity. कब? When an object is moving along a straight line with changing speed or velocity, अगर उसकी velocity change होती जा रही है तो हम उसका magnitude कैसे निकालेंगे? We will calculate the magnitude of its rate of motion in terms of average velocity. And how will you find out average velocity? Average velocity means initial velocity plus final velocity and divided by 2. When we add initial and final velocity and divided by 2, we will get the value of average velocity. Now we will discuss uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion क्या होता है बच्चों? If an object moves in a straight line and covers the equal distances in equal time intervals, we say that it is in uniform motion. Uniform motion when an object moves in a straight line and covered equal distances in equal time intervals, then it is called or said to be in uniform motion. ये कहते हैं हम कि अब object uniform motion में है. In this case, velocity of the object remains constant. तो velocity कैसी होगी इस केस में? Constant. But if the object travels unequal distances in equal time, not unequal, equal time intervals, then it is said to be in non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion means when an object travels unequal distances in equal time intervals, then it is said a non-uniform motion. In this situation, the velocity will not be constant. इसमें क्या होगी? Velocity constant नहीं होगी, and it can be of two types. First one is accelerated motion. What do you mean by accelerated motion? It means in this when velocity of an object increases with time. अगर किसी object की velocity increase होती जा रही है time के साथ, then it is called accelerated motion. And if the velocity of an object decreases with time, अगर किसी object की velocity time के साथ decrease होती जा रही है, then it is called retardation motion. Now we will discuss acceleration. Acceleration क्या होता है? We know that in uniform motion there is no change in velocity of an object with respect to time. Uniform motion में क्या होता है? Velocity change नहीं होती है time के साथ. But in non-uniform motion, like a car running in a road on road in traffic, its velocity keeps on changing with time. तो इसकी velocity change होती रहती है. We represent change in velocity with respect to time with another physical quantity and this physical quantity is called acceleration, and it is denoted by small a. And formula of this acceleration is, acceleration means change in velocity upon time taken, and definition is the change in velocity of an object per unit time is called acceleration, or rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Formula is change in velocity upon time taken. How will you find, or how will you calculate change in velocity? So we can calculate change in velocity by फाइनल वेलोसिटी माइनस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी. अगर हम फाइनल वेलोसिटी में से इनिशियल वेलोसिटी को माइनस कर देंगे, देन वी विल गेट change in velocity and it is divided by time, then we can calculate the acceleration or small a. Now the formula small a is equal to v minus u upon t. V means final velocity and u means initial velocity. When v minus u is divided by t, then it is we can calculate acceleration. SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. It can write in this way. You can write meter per second square. So SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Now 3 graphs are given to you. Acceleration of an object can be represented by velocity time graph. Acceleration को हम किस में represent कर सकते हैं? Velocity time graph में. तो velocity time graph किस तरह शो हो रहे हैं? Straight line और curve line. When an object travels in a straight line and its velocity increase or decrease by equal amount in equal intervals of time, this acceleration is called uniform acceleration and it is represented by straight line. Example, velocity of falling stone is increased continuously with time. तो अगर कोई स्टोन नीचे गिर रहा है, पत्थर नीचे गिर रहा है, तो इसकी वेलोसिटी कैसे चेंज होती है? इंक्रीजेस कंटिन्यूसली विद टाइम. टाइम के साथ कंटिन्यूसली इंक्रीज होती जाती है. वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ में हम इसको स्ट्रेट लाइन से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. और यूनिफॉर्म एक्सीलरेशन भी it can be represented by straight line. When the velocity of an object changes unevenly with time, such motion is called non-uniform. So non-uniform motion can be represented by curved line. So velocity time graph will be curved line. It will show curved line. It means it is non-uniform motion or non-uniform acceleration. Now we will discuss question answer. First question is differentiate between velocity and speed. आपको speed और velocity में differentiate करना है, difference बताना है. So velocity क्या होती है? Velocity means speed of an object in a particular direction is called velocity. और speed क्या होती है? The distance traveled by an object in unit time is called speed. SI unit दोनों के सेम होते हैं, मीटर पर सेकेंड, and these two are represented by small b. But velocity is a vector quantity while the speed is a scalar quantity. To specify the speed of an object, we require only its magnitude, not direction. But magnitude of velocity को अगर represent करना है, तो we need change in speed as well as change in direction Speed and direction both are required. So these are the differences between velocity and speed. Second question. If a car travels 100 meter in 25 seconds, then find out its velocity. इसमें क्या निकालनी है बच्चों आपको? You have to find out velocity. कार कितना ट्रेवल किया? 100 मीटर. So डिस्टेंस कितना कवर किया गया है? 100 मीटर. और टाइम कितना लिया गया है? टाइम टेकन 25 सेकेंड. सो distance traveled 100 meter and time taken 25 seconds. So velocity will be 4 meter per second. Now third question. If a cyclist is going with a constant velocity on a highway, then identify the type of motion it has. कौन सा मोशन होगा? इफ़ इट इज़ गोइंग विथ कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी. अगर ये कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी से जा रहा है कोई साइक्लिस्ट, तो इसका मोशन कैसा होगा? यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. Question number 4. What is acceleration? Explain its formula and SI unit. Acceleration क्या होता है बच्चों? Rate in change in velocity. तो rate in change in velocity, or you can say change in velocity of an object per unit time is called acceleration. Formula क्या है इसका? A equal to V minus U upon T. And acceleration की it is denoted by small a and unit is meter per second square. So you can write unit also. Now question number 5. A car accelerates uniformly from 5 meter to 10 meter per second in 5 seconds. Calculate its acceleration. तो acceleration का बच्चों फॉर्मूला क्या है? Acceleration means A equal to V minus U upon T. It is U. So V is final velocity and U is initial velocity. Final velocity is given to you. A car accelerate uniformly from 5 meter per second to 10 meter. Final velocity कितनी है इसकी? 10 meter per second. Means 10 minus initial कितनी है? 5. Time taken 5 second. So it will equal to 5 minus 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 5 upon 5. 5 बन जा 5. 5 बन जा 5. तो ए की वैल्यू कितनी आएगी? 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. एक्सेलरेशन कितना निकलेगा बच्चों? 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.